In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a single sheet from a Google Sheet that contains multiple sheets in it. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a spreadsheet from here. This is the sheet that I have taken as an example. As you can see here, this spreadsheet contains multiple sheets in it. Now suppose you want to separate or download one of the sheets from the whole workbook. Right-click on the sheet that you want to download separately. In the pop-up menu, click on Copy to. Now click on New Spreadsheet. After copying successfully, a pop-up should appear like this one. In the pop-up, click on Open Spreadsheet. Here you can see that our sheet has been copied to a new spreadsheet. Now you just have to download it. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Download. Here you can select the format of your downloaded data. From here you can select Microsoft Excel, Open Document, PDF, Web Page, comma-separated values, or tab-separated values for your data format. In my case, I will select PDF. You can edit some PDF settings from here, but I will leave them as they are. In the top right corner, click on Export. Here, our file has been downloaded. Let's open it in Files. Now double-click on your downloaded file. Here you can see that our sheet has been downloaded as a PDF file. Following these steps, you can download a single sheet from Google Sheets easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.